In this video, I'm gonna share with you like how you can actually make your renders beautiful with the help of post-processing in Photoshop. This is gonna be beginner friendly. So recently I made this render. This is a space render. So we are gonna use this render as an example for post-processing. So open up Photoshop and import your render. This video is like a basic idea what is post-processing of a render is like. So after opening up Photoshop, I'm gonna first add a brightness and contrast and adjust it a little bit. After this, it's time to add some glow. Duplicate the layer and go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then adjust the slider around 20 to 25%. Then press OK, change blending mode to screen, and then this blur is quite looking good. To fix this, double click on Gaussian blur and then adjust the slide as you like. Now it's time to add curves and it's completely up to you. Adjust as you want, but don't make it too ugly. Now this step is completely optional. I'm just gonna use hue and saturation. I'm just gonna change a little bit color and increase the saturation. Now here comes the juicy part. Make your layer smart object, then click on filter and then camera raw filter. And then click on basic and adjust the setting related to your render. Set your temperature. I'm gonna make it bluish and then change the tint. I'm gonna make it slightly green. And then this is exact same settings. Exposure, contrast, highlight, whites and blacks, shadows, change according to your render. Then this is the texture. This is basically make your render more clear than blurry. Same goes for clarity. And then dehaze. I'm gonna lower it a little bit. Then in effects, I'm gonna increase vignette and little bit of grain. And now here you can see all the changes in raw render and the final render.